Every tumor is different, and believe it or not, some tumors actually have bacteria living inside of them. These hidden bacteria can help tumors grow and make cancer treatments less effective. But now scientists are discovering new ways to fight back, using antibiotics to target the bacteria and boost the body's ability to attack the cancer itself. Today, I'm going to show you how this discovery can change the future of cancer treatment. First, let's start with a little background information. Cancer is a disease where cells grow uncontrollably and form lumps called tumors. Sometimes these tumors spread to other parts of the body, which make treatment really difficult. What many people don't know is that certain cancers, especially some in the colon and the rectum, can have bacteria living inside the tumors. These bacteria feed on the tumor and even stop treatments, like immunotherapy, from working. So, what have scientists done to try and alleviate this? Well, researchers from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill decided they would look for a way to remove the bacteria and let the immune system step in to fight the cancer and publish their findings. That's where antibiotics come in. Antibiotics are well-known treatments of bacteria which kill them altogether or stop them from multiplying and making an infection worse. However, the antibiotics scientists were trying to use for colon cancer are not just any antibiotics, but ones delivered using tiny fat bubbles called liposomes. But the challenge, though, is that even though the bacteria is living inside the tumor, they make it harder for chemotherapy treatments to succeed. Some types of cancer cells are already tough to treat, but with these bacteria around, the immune system has an even harder time recognizing the tumor is dangerous. The bacteria act like a shield, helping the cancer stay hidden. But what if we can break that shield? The idea was to target the bacteria in these tumors directly, and that's what the researchers aim to do. The researchers developed a special antibiotic delivery system called lipo-AGTNZ that would be used to deliver the antibiotic treatment to the colon cancer cells. So let's break down how this works. They take antibiotics and package them in tiny fat bubbles called liposomes. Think of these as like delivery trucks carrying the medicine to make sure they get there safely. These trucks travel through the body and drop off the antibiotics directly at the tumor. That way, the bacteria in the tumor can get eliminated without harming the good bacteria in your gut, which is really important for digestion and overall health. But there's more. When the antibiotics kill the bacteria in the tumor, they leave behind tiny fragments called neoantigens. These fragments act like red flags for the immune system, showing it where the tumor is and giving it the signal to attack them. So, not only do the antibiotics kill the bacteria, but they also help the immune system see and fight the cancer. So, what did the researchers find? The results for this study were really exciting. The researchers primarily tested these treatments on animals before moving to human colon cancer patients. In animal studies, they saw a significant improvement in survival rates when the antibiotics were used. Over 70% of the mice treated with this method survived long term, compared to much lower survival rates in untreated groups. And in tests with the human cancer patients using antibiotics before surgery improved their chances of staying disease-free by over 25%. One of the most exciting findings was how well the immune system responded. When the bacteria were eliminated, the immune system started producing specific cells called T cells to attack the tumor. It's like giving the body's natural defenses the information they need to fight back. Now, since the research paper is quite dense, I've taken two graphs that I feel are essential to understanding the overarching goal and results of the research. The first graph on the left is graph I from figure 2, which shows the Kaplan-Meier survival curves compared to the treated and untreated groups. This graph highlights the improved survival rates with the antibiotic treatment compared to those who were untreated. The second graph on the left is graph I from figure 4, which illustrates the increase in CD8 plus T cells after bacterial elimination. This graph demonstrates how the immune system was activated to fight against the tumor with the help of these medications. So, why does this matter? This research is a game changer because it tackles cancer in a totally new way. Instead of focusing only on the cancer cells, it targets the bacteria hiding inside the tumor. By getting rid of those bacteria, it helps the immune system do its job better. This method could bring new hope to patients whose cancer doesn't respond to traditional therapies. The potential here goes far beyond this one study. Imagine using this method to treat other cancers that also involve bacteria. or refining the delivery system to make it even more effective. Researchers are also studying the long-term effects of this medication to ensure that it's safe and has lasting benefits. There's so much potential for this approach to change cancer treatment as we know it. To wrap up, targeting tumor bacteria with liposomal antibiotics is an incredible step forward in cancer treatments. It combines medicine and immunology in a new way to attack cancer from multiple angles. This innovative approach gives hope to patients who may not have had options before. Science like this reminds us of the power of creative thinking and collaboration in solving complex problems. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed learning about this new and exciting cancer treatment.